ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। ओम श्री कृष्णाय परमात्मने नमः। श्री भगवानुवाच यतो यतो निश्चरति मनश्चञ्चलमस्थिरं ततस्ततो नियम्यैतत् ततस्ततो नियम्यैतत् आत्मन्येव वशं नयेत्. Sixth chapter, 26th shloka. Bhagavan Krishna says, after Shravanam Mananam, one should do a deep level of Nididhyasanam. To do Nididhyasanam, physical fitness, mental fitness, and buddhi, all instruments of the body should cooperate or should obey one's mind. Also, Bhagavan knows that controlling mind is not the easy task, because our Shastra says mind is like a monkey. It is always chanchalam. How a monkey, even in a second, it will not keep quiet. It will jump from this branch of tree to that branch of tree, and it keeps on jumping. So focusing, concentrating the mind is very, very, very difficult. So Bhagavan Krishna keeps on telling that how to control the mind, how the mind should be away from worldly actions, all those things. So in this particular shloka, Bhagavan Krishna says, controlling mind is difficult. The mind becomes chanjalam. Also say it is quite natural. But doing Nididhyasana is, if you fix your mind doing Nididhyasana, meditating on Sachidananda Parabrahma Paramananda Swarupam, if you fix that as your one and only goal, one and only your action, one and only practice, that is a spiritual practice, then if mind becomes chanchala, if the mind sees other things, worldly things, and gets disturbed, that is our own duty to bring back the mind. Bhagavan Krishna agrees controlling mind is very difficult, but by constant practice, by again and again, repeatedly, until the mind becomes controlled by you. You should not be controlled by mind, the mind should be controlled by you. All sense organs, all external worldly affairs, or which are all the things it will affect your Nididhyasana practice, you should have control. You should have control on them by mind, by buddhi. That's all Bhagavan Krishna says. Controlling body mind complexities, you have to control through your buddhi. Then you have to do Nididhyasana. Bhagavan Krishna repeatedly says, control your mind with the help of buddhi. Why? Because it is quite natural. Controlling mind is very difficult. You have to repeatedly try and you have to succeed controlling the body-mind complexes through buddhi or whatever the means to do steady, proper Nididhyasanam on Parabrahmam. That's all Bhagavan Krishna says in this particular sloka. Tomorrow we shall see 27th sloka what Bhagavan Krishna says. Till then, Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om Tat Sat.